Day 2. Just got done breakfast, cleaning up. Time to go. Waiting on these two. We're on day 2, back on the trail. We got about 30 miles till we hit Moab, and then some of the crew might split off, and then we'll probably keep going depending on time. But we get to see this beautiful mountain, Mount Peel.
And Mount Tuckanuckavitz.
Is that actually what it is?
Yep.
That's weird.
Mount Tuck. Tucker.
Mount Tuckanuckavitz. We got a live one.
Alright.
Barely alive. I don't think. Did you pull his wing?
No.
His
wing's
wing was
intact.
Oh.
It's his fault for flying into my truck.
Dude, your brakes are so
Yep. There you go. Now straighten out. There you go, right there. Hold that line. Keep coming. Your right tire's gonna drop here shortly. You're good. Just keep going. All right, right tire coming down. Beautiful. Now nice and easy with the rest of it. All right, nice and slow, nice and slow. Oh, nothing to it. That was easy. Good job. Go left. Nice. This is gonna be a piece of cake for you.
How much gas do you have in those tanks?
I got 4 more gallons in the big one.
My gas light's on.
Is it?
So,
Okay, we'll pull up a little farther and we can take it out. You might scrape your belly a bit. Oh, tire raise. Go left. Notice how Jess freaks out and Pat's just, nothing. Oh, front tire's up. All right, come right. The right tire's gonna come down. Oh, didn't even scrape.
nice.
Good work.
This is not the line at all.
You're fine, you got it.
You're good, dude.
Nice and easy. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Go slow. Go slow. We'll see how it goes. Oh, you're good. All right, now go left. A little left. Okay, there you go. Keep coming. You'll be just fine. All right, nice and easy on slow. Very slow. There you go. You're good. See? Like I said, you got no worries. It's not that bad. You got it.
Just go already, God!
You're making her more nervous doing it.
Yes. Go!
She grabbed me about hit the gas. No way back now.
Nope.
They're one of my work.
We're good. We just lost the sunflower seeds, so had to go back and get them.
You're just screwed. The whole time.
Yeehaw!
Yeah, buddy. 2-wheel drive.
I don't know how to turn it around. Where you
Watch this. Slick road. Go, Shane. You in for a low? Got the lockers on? What lockers? You got limited slip.
The foot lockers.
The foot locker. Got your canvas shoes on? You ready?
No, but yeah. I know, but it's still scary. You guys gonna videotape us coming back down? I need Morgan and AJ.
All right, these three are taking off. They're gonna head home. We're gonna continue on the rest of the trail.
Poke you.
What do you guys think
Poke you.
this weekend?
Poke you.
Good weekend.
Good, bad, ugly, indifferent?
I don't know. I guess I gotta buy a truck or something.
He's gonna be buying a truck before the next trip.
Or you're bringing the Subaru.
And he's gonna struggle. Nothing.
That was fun.
Cool trail, fun.
Morgan didn't scrape anything, didn't break anything that we
I
know
broke
of.
something up front.
Well, we don't know if it's
Something's
broke.
broke.
It's just
No,
loose.
fucking-
It's just loose.
It's just full of dirt. Just full of dirt and dust.
I don't know if dirt makes that noise.
AJ broke his Jeep.
AJ, yep.
Oh.
AJ broke his Jeep.
Busted you, joint.
Busted U joint,
Oh.
yeah. Anyway, that was not a very good closeout, so they're not very energetic. They're all a little tired, so we'll catch you later. All right, we lost Shane, Morgan, and AJ. They are driving home. They have like a 6-hour drive back up to Ogden. So Pat, Jess, and I, and Tucker, we are gonna continue until we get to south of LaSalle, so that way we can continue our trip and make our next one a little bit shorter. So we got about 40 more miles to go. We're going to check out a waterfall. I can't remember the name of it, but we're gonna go check it out because it's actually flowing now. I came here a couple months ago, actually back in like April, and there was no water flowing from it. So now we're gonna go there with water flowing through it. Faux Falls, that's what it's called. Look at that. Last time I came here, it wasn't flowing water, so I didn't even think about it. Oh, he found the water. I'm not surprised. Oh, he's laying down. Good boy. Good boy. You know what this means? I was going for a swim when I found the water. Probably a completely different one, so he'll get it. Oh, that is the one. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Gaining some elevation now. We're at about 9,200 feet and climbing. We still got a ways to go. I don't remember what it is, but I think we get real close to 10,000 feet. I definitely think today is a little bit better than yesterday, just with the views and driving up in the mountain and the green. But that's just me. And we had the waterfall, so that was definitely a highlight of the day. Can't beat that. We are officially over 10,000 feet and still climbing. We're at 10,200 feet. I do not remember what we were supposed to get to, but if we're going all the way up there, we got a ways to go. We are over 10,500 feet. It is 55 degrees outside. This is awesome. Now this would be a fun drive in the winter. I mean, not in the middle of winter because you wouldn't be able to get up here, but in November with some snow on it, maybe even October, it'd be perfect. On the final stretch, should be back to the trailer in just a few minutes. We get to load up the vehicle and then head 3 hours home after that. Well, we just finished our trip for the day. Maverick is Adventure's first stop and last stop, so we got some dinner-ish. What do you guys think of our trip today?
Tons of fun.
I love this part.
The mountains were a lot better than the rough rock sections we had yesterday. Tucker, you're blocking Jess. Jess, what do you think?
Loved it. Loved it. Loved it.
And now we just get to plan our next adventure, which is going to be starting from the La Salle point where we ended, and then we're going down to Mexican Hat. So we'll probably end up taking 4 days to do it. Well, 3 days to do it, and then 1 day to drive up. So that's going to be later this year. We'll plan a date at some point. Thanks for watching. 2 miles from home. We are on the off-ramp that we needed to use and popped a tire. So close, so close.